up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! I told you I was going to do something else. That's right. It's a snap-on tool haul. And thank all of you guys once again for coming back. Man, oh man, if you haven't checked out my other channel and you're into the old... You can see old CP do a little bit of bang bang. CP, the average plinker. I will put a link for it in the description. Thank you guys that are subscribers to this channel. Appreciate you guys. Not the same content over there. Going to try to do a lot of different things. And I've had that channel for a while. And I just really never did anything. But I'm getting back into... It's that time of year again where I get to go out and shoot a little competition. If you're like competition or into competition shooting, that's definitely something for you to look at. But anyways, here, this channel, we're here to talk about what allows me to have fun or do my things on that channel is from me working and the things that I buy on this channel. So we're going to get right into this video because we got a snap-on tool haul. Thank you guys. Always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, whatever. Ring the bell. You know, I just say that at the beginning this time. It's always my tagline to go out, but I appreciate you guys if you haven't subscribed and you're a new subscriber. Anyways, let's go ahead and stop messing around here. And we're going to talk about the Dads and Grads flyer. Get you right into that. I don't know if it's really called Dads and Grads flyer, I guess, but it's the Father's Day gift flyer. And then we're going to show you some of the tools that I picked up. Apologize. Let's go ahead and move right into this bad boy right here. I haven't really seen anybody do anything on this yet, but I'm just going to fly through this really quick because I was actually disappointed. This is usually one of Snap-on's better flyers, and this was definitely not one of their better flyers this time. So on the front, under $250, we have a 180-degree lens welding helmet. We got some glasses, safety glasses, I think. I don't know. Torque wrench. But we're going to fly right into this. There's a couple things that I've had in this flyer before. Don't stick around because at the end we're going to do the tool haul. We got some cell phone accessories, phone cases, protectors, all that business. I do have this tray set, and I do like that. I think that's a really nice deal. And it's only, magnetic organizers is only $57 for that front. It's a Blue Point kit. It's definitely handy, and I definitely have liked it. We also have some more organizers right here, and those are definitely not terrible. So if you want to check those out, or if you're interested in something like that, don't be afraid. Check them out with your local Snap-on guy. We'll see if old Snappy will have that for you. So nonetheless, let's move along. Hopefully my fan isn't bothering you. It's a little warm here today. 80 plus degrees. Getting up there. Not quite as much as some of you boys in the south, I know, because you're waiting for you're relishing for the moment to get at me. CP don't get hot in the summertime too. Well, I know. But you guys ain't here in the winter either, are you, boy? So we're acclimated to colder weather up here. Anyways, wrench organizers. I have this wrench organizer. It does come, it is nice for... it's $50-$60 for these. They have them 1/4 and 3/8 drive. I actually have been using that for a long time. You can store your ratchet or extensions on this end, some wrench hangers, and a socket. Definitely a nice little organization tool for you guys that are looking to save space. And for $50, I don't know anybody else that sells this. This might be a Snap-on exclusive. You can see right here where it has the ratchet and extension, some sockets, wrenches. This is great for even the DIY guys at home, man. So yeah. More magnetic trays. Obviously, that's the Magna panel, $56 for that bad boy right there. We have some of these magnetic trays, which I showed in another video. Now they have color options. When I got them in black, and they are $37.60. We have some soldering iron options, which honestly I still think that corded soldering irons are better than cordless. Look at the money you spend on corded soldering irons, and that's $59, and it'll last you a whole lot longer. It comes with tips, you replace tips, blah blah blah. Anyways, I thought something was interesting too was these right here. Tool organizer wrench rings, $35. If you're looking to just organize your wrenches and grab them in a, sorry about the flapping deal there, It's kind of expensive, 35 bucks, but even if you did it with a carabiner, you could set up your own type of deal. Moving right along. Let's just blow right through this as fast as I can. I'm not taking a whole bunch of time. I'm sure some of you have already got them. We got pick sets. We got screwdrivers, white, red, blah, blah, blah. We've seen those forever. We got hex adapters. Those are for your impact. They go on your impact driver, and then you can run them as a hex adapter if you want. We've got tread depth gauges, a level, and our straight edge level. Measuring tape, 12-foot measuring tape. H is, what is that bad boy? I don't know. It's 25 bucks, that tape measure. I really do like it because it's got better features than a lot of them out there. It's vinyled on both sides. It's definitely set up for automotive. A lot of people don't understand that. They look at the price, but the actual function of that tape measure is that it's vinyl on both sides, so you don't scratch paint and all that jazz. We got some gloves, anywhere from 40 to 50, 60 bucks for those. And they do have a proprietary design in them. I know, I don't really know much about them, but we got a fan. This was a good deal right here. Kneeling pads. A 5-pack of these for 75 bucks. Guys, in the shop, man, you should be going to your shop foreman, shop manager, and asking for those if you don't have them. I'm telling you right now, as a guy that's been doing it for a long time, simple, cheap, cost-effective idea that helps save your knees. Welding gloves, L. Graphic welding gloves with, no, not the hat, but the welding gloves, L, right there. And then we have the wipes, Snap-on equipment and tool hand towels. I actually have those. They do work very well. They are $22.40 for a jug of those. Let's move right along. More lights, new lights. This light is a new light that's out now, folding pen light. Pretty cool little light. It is made of durable polymer, whatever, aluminum. Price on that, let's just look at the price on it. The B foldable light, that one is $63. We have the Father's Day gift idea, little foldable deal in here. We've got some water nozzles, portable power, options like that. You know, just the plain Jane stuff. It's always around. Oh man, rebrand city here. Coming up. We got lights, cordless tools, right angles, drills, all that. There's the helmet, welding helmet. I thought that was not a bad deal. $155 for a welding helmet. It is a lower profile helmet, and you can put clear shade in it. It comes with a number 10 shade included. So it's just a basic welding helmet, but it's got a lower profile, so kind of a nice deal there. We have Chlor Automotive, actually, Solar builds these. Soldering gun, more lights, their kits. I've got an upcoming tool haul with some of those I got to talk about. They've got some new ones. They're awful pricey, but there's some new ones they got that are pretty cool. More mats, guys. More mats. The kneeling pack, $203. I mean, a shop owner, that's cheap insurance. They're nice. Got to watch them on water, though. I will tell you, if you get down on water, that thing, you can do some sliding on them. That ain't no joke. F, this one is really nice. Very expensive, but it is really, really nice. It's the Cadillac of them all, and that one is $100 just for that one. But it's a neoprene, very expensive material. I know that it's a very nice mat. One thing I will tell you guys, the air hoses are lifetime guaranteed. I don't know anybody, maybe Flexzilla is the only one I think that has a lifetime guaranteed. But I know a couple of shops around here that have them, and they swear by them. And they've tried the Flexzillas, and they don't like the Flexzillas, but they love these Snap-on ones. And the price on these bad boys is $100 for that, $106. But it is 100% lifetime guaranteed. The guy even said, you hook it up to your truck and tow it with it. Rip it in half, and we'll warranty it, which I don't recommend. Torque wrenches. Snap-on torque wrenches. All that jazz. We're going to move along through here. This is just kind of a basic flyer. I got more welding helmets. I've been looking at welding helmets, but I need to get a welder too. So, and a lot of times you buy a welder, you get a welding helmet. Cordless, more 14.4 cordless tools on the back here, the last page. That's all there is to it. So let's be done with that now. We'll move right here into the tool haul. And the first thing I'm going to start off with is these guys. My Snap-on dealer had a deal on those. Pretty cool. You're going to say to yourself, what is a 2-piece lug nut cap remover? Which I think they're kind of discontinuing these because you don't see these very much anymore. But for the deal that he had on these, I thought these were absolutely sweet. And this is my, I'm not going to actually disclose the price on these because they were less than half price. I don't know if that's the regular. He didn't say anything. Actually, you know what? I don't care. These are $25. The cool thing about them is I believe these lug nuts come off of here. They're replaceable. Let me see if I can push it out with my screwdriver without stabbing myself. Because this is just a hex adapter in here. It actually moves around a little bit. But the cool thing is you stick it in here, and now you have a 22 millimeter and a 19 millimeter. What is it, 21 or 22? 2-piece, 19 and 22, yeah. 2-piece, 19 and 22 millimeter. You guys do a lot of those lug nut caps when you're removing them, and you can use your impact or whatnot, but these are nice because your cap doesn't sink all the way down in them. And I got them for 25 bucks. I'm not gonna lie to you. Anytime you can buy a Snap-on tool for 25 bucks, it's made in the USA. That's a win-win for me. So it was worth it to me to pick them up. That's the only reason I got them. Next thing I got, bam! I picked up the new water nozzle, and I was planning on doing a little bit of a video demonstrating it, but didn't have time. And these things are bad to the bone. I tried it at the shop. Actually, I had one at the shop and bought this one for the home shop here. But man, you talk about, this thing will impress you. It has a little wire, whatever you call it, deal there, and then the nozzle is adjustable. Boy, oh boy, on regular water pressure, this thing will literally shoot the moon. Swear to God. And it is $100 for this water nozzle, but it's lifetime guaranteed. And I got to tell you, man, I was not disappointed with it. Didn't matter to me. The last and not least thing that I picked up was Snap-on's new soldering tool. And I got to tell you, they have lost their mind. This is the part of the video where you're going to hear old CP use his non-biased abilities to tell you what he really thinks. And by God, I ain't going to hold back one bit. This is a part number, the SODC1. And I don't know what the part number was. I guess. I will link all the description for everything. I will link everything in the description as usual. But this Snap-on soldering tool, this is the one I've been using. This is a Lyle. I actually bought this off the Matco truck. It's a WH500. But it's an LI 500 is the Lyle part number. And what I really liked about this was the fact that it moves back and forth. And just to give you a little demonstration of that, I've been doing a ton of soldering. So that's reason number one why I bought it. Problem is, there's not really any type of sturdiness to it, but I like the little grabbers, and they're nice. But now you can move your work in and out. So if you want to set them up in there, and then you can kind of touch them in, and that is nice. Problem is, there's no magnetic base to it, where this one is. And that's kind of stupid, I think. And especially, why do I find that to be stupid? Because the price. This thing's dumb. Dumb! Snap-on, you've lost your mind. I mean, don't get me wrong. It is well made, okay? I'm not going to knock it because it's USA made quality, which this is too. So don't kid yourself. This is US too. This one has a removable. These are magnetic and whatnot. I think what I'm thinking about doing here is this is honest to God what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap this. I'm going to tap this base right here so I can still use these when I want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap this base and put a bolt in there. I don't know if it's big enough or not. I might actually try to do something else. It looks pretty awful thin material to be doing that, but I won't have much left there. But there should have been a magnetic base on this, clearly. There should be some sort, and for the price, it was $100, guys. I didn't pay $100. I screamed at my Snap-on guy, and he gave me a better deal than $100. But I can promise you this much: Snap-on, you're lost your mind on this one. You are completely insane. $100 for this thing. My opinion, it is higher quality, and I could see $50 or $60, which I thought was pretty reasonable. It is a good tool, but $100 is absolutely bonkers for a tool that doesn't even have a magnetic base or whatnot. Now, you know, obviously I bought it, so you guys can call me an idiot if you want, but I do enough soldering that there's nothing out there like it. I understand that, but that doesn't mean that you need to rip people off on this aspect. So very rarely do you ever hear me complain about a price on something, because I really don't care. But the problem is there's no base on it. I wanted the tool. I'm going to drum up something to, you know, it's got a screw in here, so I'm going to drum up something to help me out for the time being so that maybe I can have some sort of base, but it is nice. So anyways, that's my rant on that. Anyways, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.